Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a TikTok can't follow any TikTok account on iPhone. So guys, if you are using iPhone or iPad or any Android phone, and when you want to follow any people on your TikTok account and can't be able to follow that people and have follow back problem, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you have to go back, and guys after this simply you need to open your settings on your phone, and guys you need to make sure that first of all you are connected with Wi-Fi or mobile network. And guys after doing this you need to go back, and guys after this you need to make sure that you are using updated version of TikTok. So guys, how can you do this? Simply you need to open your app store on your iPhone, and guys here you need to search TikTok. So guys, you have to search this one, and guys you need to open your TikTok app here. And guys, if you have any kind of update here, as you can see, simply you need to update your app, and guys after doing update your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, you have to open your settings, scroll it below, click on general, and guys click on iPhone storage. And after this you have to wait for some seconds. So guys, simply you need to click on your TikTok, and guys you need to offload your app, and after doing offload you need to reinstall again. And guys after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, after doing all the methods, if still not fix your problem, simply you have to open your TikTok app again. So guys, you have to open this, click on your main profile icon, and guys you need to click on three lines, scroll it below, click on report our problem, and guys you need to wait for some seconds. So guys, now you will see a new page here. So guys, from here you can select, here is the option of accounts and profile, and guys simply you need to scroll it down, and guys here is the option of profile page. You need to click on this, and you need to wait for more seconds. So guys, simply you have to wait for more seconds, and guys you will see this type of interface. So guys, you need to scroll it below, and here is the option of other, and guys after this you have to wait for more. So guys, you can see page is on loading, and guys after this you need to click on need more help, and guys after this you need to wait. So guys, now you can see you will find this type of interface. So guys, simply you have to write your problem, follow back problem, or can't follow any people on TikTok. And guys, after writing your problem you need to mention your username and Gmail address of your TikTok account, and simply you have to submit your appeal. And guys, within few minutes they will review your appeal, and they will fix your problem as soon as possible. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you.